Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. For this video, I will present about the use of soft power in Chinese foreign policy. First of all, we have to discuss the background first. Deng Xiaoping launched foreign policy of reform and opening in 1978. Is an important landmark in China contemporary history. Deng initiative has been followed by his predecessors. China has shown high economic growth year after year, is active on international stage, is committed to addressing global issues, pursuing economy and diplomatic expansion in developing countries, promote economic integration with ASEAN countries, and work to resolve the border issue with its neighbors. Using soft power as an instrument is one of the way in which the most important Chinese interests can be realized. So, what is the China soft power instrument? The instrument of Chinese for soft power are divided as a division of the origin from which soft power has extracted the idea of analysis of the China activity. Three main groups of the China foreign policy instrument in soft power. First, cultural and educational instrument. The second, foreign policy instrument. And last but not least, the international economic development and humanitarian aid instrument. The first group of tool is linked with the cultural and educational instrument. China apply to strategy. The first strategy is invitation strategy, and the second, the outgoing strategy. For the invitation strategy, is related to the activity in China itself, the development of suitable condition for drawing foreigner entry to China. Meanwhile, the outgoing strategy is expound the operation undertaken abroad and armed toward the beneficial outside China. In the invitation strategy, for example, China have attract more foreign students to speed up their national education quality to get apart with Western countries by offering scholarship to international students. In 2018, more than 400,000 international students from more than 119 countries come to China to study at the more than 1,000 universities and colleges in China. For the going out strategy, the most visible instrument has been network of the Confucius Institute. For example, from the beginning by the end of 2019, there are a total of more than 100 countries that have established 515 Confucius Institute and more than 1,000 Confucius classroom teaching around the world, and therefore it can be seen that two strategies of the China implement in cultural and educational instrument to offer scholarship and establish the Confucius Institute are functioning toward the establishment of China soft power. The second group of China soft power tool is derived from the foreign policy instrument. For the second group, I will show the three instruments that China use in soft power. The first one related to the China participation in the international organization, and the second one is the media, and also the last one is the international event organized by China. So let's go one by one. For the China participation in the international organization, since the reform of the policy of openness in the late 1970, China has gradually changed its attitude and policy toward the international organization. For example, in 2000, China had become a member of more than 15 intergovernmental organizations (IGO) and more than 1,000 international non-governmental organizations (INGO) around the world. And the second one for the media is another important soft power instrument that can be classified by China in foreign policy. For example, China also have the foreign channel as known as the CCTV9 was transformed in English in 2000, and in 2010 CCTV9 become a CCTV News. This CCTV channel are now broadcast in English, French, Spanish, Arabic, Russian, and Chinese. The objective of the using the social media to promote the good China image to the foreign countries. Third one, international event organized by China. We also can see that China also use the international event as a soft power tool. One example of the international event was the Beijing Olympic Game in 2008, which China used as opportunity to promote its cultural achievement and present of the history of China's civilization during the opening ceremony. And another example, China is restrict allocation of the foreign film and the censorship. China has become a prime audience for many big budget Hollywood movies. As a result, many Hollywood studio producers need to have a certain number of China actors. Filming location in China is safe, and the film cannot portray China as a villain in order to import those films to the Chinese market. And therefore, under the foreign policy instrument of China to run its soft power affect a lot of the utility to promote the China image in terms of the participation within the work of international organization using social media platform, organizing international event and project international film studio in order to achieve China national interest. The third group of soft power tool draw from the economic instrument. China has proposed the economic diplomacy and aid diplomacy. Predominantly countries need to cooperate with China, and most of the countries from the Africa, Latin America, and Asia continents. China foreign policy existence is usually obtainable debt write-off and subsidized loan, primarily for constructional development programs such as construction, rail, public service building. BRI, or Belt and Road Initiative, is an example of China assistance diplomacy. China is to improve and create the new trade route, link and business opportunity with China, passing through more than 16 countries across Asia, Europe, and the Middle East and Africa. And another example, like the Asia Infrastructure Investment Bank, or AIIB. The AIIB are another tool of China soft power resource. This is a multilateral development bank that aims to support the building of infrastructure in the Asia Pacific region. Moreover, the humanitarian aid provided by China in the event of natural and man-made disaster is also significant to China's image. China has become a major player in humanitarian and emergency relief spending. China has spent more than $15 billion on the foreign aid. For example, during the COVID-19, the Chinese government support more than 100 countries and 4 foreign organizations with surgical masks, N95, respirator, and others. And China local government send the medical item to their sister city in more 15 countries. And however, the tension over the origin of the COVID-19 between the US and China devastating impact across the planet, not only health but also economic and society. If China is the first country to produce a vaccine against COVID-19 as a humanitarian aid instrument, China perhaps become a new hegemonic power to replace the US forever. So, what is the interest in the foreign policy, the agenda of the soft power? So I try to explain some reason. The first reason, after the China growing spending on the military and space program, they have led to apprehension in the other state. Hence, the Chinese authority perception that the country growth might trigger discontent worldview was possibly the key explanation for activity utilizing soft power technique to project favorable picture of the China. And the second reason, the decline in US popularity from the Bush to the Trump administration with the method of the war on terror and the American First policy. As a result of the reduced US involvement in Africa, Latin America, and other regions, this offered China a chance to use particular space that had emerged in this region and to attempt a rivalry with the US. And the third reason, soft power is subordinate to foreign policy objective of China. The continuation of the reform and economic development, and in this connection, the search abroad for the raw material base and sale market security in the region, the pursuing of the one principle of China, the achievement of the goodwill of developing countries to support the China role in the UN. And the last but not least, the geopolitical arm is to regain the image of superpower. Superpower problems have been unchangeable aspect in China foreign policy since the empire is.